Hi everyone, I'm Raj and today in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of boAt RockerZ 450. This headphone are available around 1000 to 2000 rupees and you can buy it from Flipkart. So I have purchased this earphone around 1000 rupees from Flipkart on sale. So let's see the packaging. Here I have the boAt RockerZ 450 and you can see the packaging is pretty much good. So you have the transparent packaging and here are some of the features of this earphone. This is we have noise cancellation on this. It has a good Bluetooth 5.0 support. So it has 15-hour backup and also it has the Google Assistant and Siri support. So this is the first earphone from boAt I have seen which supports Google Assistant and Siri. I'm not sure whether other boAt RockerZ are supporting it, but here they have specially mentioned that this headphone will support Google Assistant and Siri. So let's don't waste time and do the unboxing. Here we have the MRP. So basically this is having a 3990 MRP, 3990 rupees is the MRP, but I have brought this on sale around 1000 rupees and normal days it's come around 1500 rupees. So on the sales you can find this headphone easily around 1000 rupees. So let's do the unboxing. Let me remove the tape. So guys, here is the main headphone and let's see what we are getting inside the box. So first we are getting a USB cable to charge this headphone, and the second one is the aux cable. Here we have some warranty cards and you are also getting a boAt sticker, and here is something related with the IPL. Okay, so this is something new. Here we have all the cricketers. So here we have other stuffs of boAt. So you can see their speakers, earphones and headphones, and this side we have every cricketer from this IPL. And let me keep everything aside. Here are the main headphones. Let's have a look at these headphones. So first of all, at the left side you are getting the volume keys, pause key and the USB charging port, and also you have the aux support, and here are some of the mics. Talk about the build quality. This is really a good type of plastic they have used in this headphone, and the cushions are really soft, so it really feels like a premium headphone. At this point of price you are getting really a premium headphone, and we all know that the quality of boAt is really awesome. And these are the adjustable, so you can adjust this like this. Guys, this was the quick unboxing of boAt RockerZ 450. So hope you like this video. Then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.